What's up, guys? So, this is sometime later. I forgot to film an intro, but yeah, the video you're about to see, we're going to be taking a look at how to clean and install the reusable filter that I have in my car. For those of you who don't know, I have a Mishimoto short ram intake in my car. I have reusable filters, so I'm going to go through the process of trying to show you all how to clean and swap out your reusable filter. All right, let's get to it. We have our application bottle. Uh, we have the oil filter oil. And this is Mishimoto provided. I mean, I don't know if you could use any other oil, but I know that I bought it because it was on their website and I knew I'd need it. Because mine is an oil filter application. And this is the air filter that actually came with the intake initially. It's already clean. It's already been washed. I washed it probably about a year ago. I know I'm really bad at changing my air filter. But, yeah, we're going to change it now. So one thing that you don't want to do apparently is over oil these ribs. So that's why you have the applicator bottle. So essentially what you're going to do is after you fill this up, you're going to go over each individual rib. You know, probably best to start from here. That way you have a clear indicator of where you're starting, where you're stopping. So you're just going to go one by one. And then apparently you're just supposed to let it sit. You're not supposed to add a super ton of it, but you're supposed to just apply it to each rib. I know that because I checked out their website. So, yeah. I guess I'll get a time lapse going for you guys, or try to get a time lapse for you right now. So, yeah. Let's get started. And boom, just like that, everything is oil. I'm just gonna let this sit here for a minute and like soak into all the fibers per, I guess, Mishimoto's video. And yeah, when we get back at it, we're gonna go out there and actually put it in. I might even. Alright, so now that we've cleaned the air filter, we're just gonna go ahead and undo the bolts to take off the cover and take off the old one. Let's see. Is it this one? Is it you? It is. It is you. I found it, my precious.
That's a serious forethought.
not too bad. It's not too gross. It's kind of gross. All right, it's kind of gross. All right, so now just do everything in reverse. Great. Oh, not going anywhere. Alright. And just to make sure, because you always want to check, let's give her some of this. This is all one super long continuous clip. Right, so literally took out a bolt there, 2 bolts there, and the 3rd one right there. So for the Mishimoto one, it's super easy to take them off and change. It's just a pain because wires get in the way here, and this one really easy to unplug, and that one chilling. So cool, we're good. Alright, so now we're just gonna wash this one real quick. Just an FYI, it has to sit for about 10 minutes after you spray this cleaner. Again, got it from Mishimoto. I don't know if you have to get it from Mishimoto, but I know I bought it because, you know, it was offered as an add-on and I was a noob. So just spray it all over, let it sit for like 10 minutes and then rinse it. But first, we're gonna tap all the stuff out of it, which, to be honest, filter wasn't that dirty. Like, it's not really much coming out of it. Not really much coming out of it, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to follow directions on the side, you know. Now I'm going to spray it all over and let it sit for about 10 minutes. So, let's go. Alright, see you guys in 10 minutes. Alright, now that we let it sit for about 10 minutes, now we can rinse it off. Alright, now we'll just let it dry. Let it dry for about 24 hours. They don't recommend that you use compressed air or heat, so you just have to let it air dry. So, alright guys, that's about all I have for you today. Who knows what we're going to do next time, but catch you later. Peace.